Raditu billahi rabbah wa bil islami dinah. Raditu billahi rabbah wa bil islami dinah wa bi Muhammadin sallallahu alaihi wasallam sallam nabiyyan wa rasulah. Allah, you're the source of life and you're the source of truth. To obey you I strive and my aim is pleasing you. Allah, you are the only one, your promise is always true. You don't need anyone, but we're all in need of you. And I sincerely pray to be among the ones you love. And until my final day, I'll say in all my prayers, Raditu billahi rabbah wa bil islami dinah. Raditu billahi rabbah wa bil islami dinah wa bi Muhammadin sallallahu alaihi wasallam sallam nabiyyan wa rasulah. My eyes cannot see you, and yet my heart believes. Your miracles surround me, so clear and easy to see. Allah, you are the greatest, and I submit to you. You know my deepest thoughts, you know everything I do. And I sincerely pray to be among the ones you love. And until my final day, I'll say in all my prayers, Raditu billahi rabbah.
Lagi di mana kita? Siapa kita? Majelis Taklim Inayatul Mubtadi.